Hey guys, Ryan Ogle with the KitchenAid Senior PGA Championship, and we're excited to once again have the Makers Trail 19th hole at our championship in May. From craft beer to locally made wine, we've got something for everyone in the Makers Trail 19th hole. As you can tell, we have a great lineup of makers joining us in May. Stay tuned. Over the next few weeks, we'll sit down with each one and find out what they're bringing to the 19th hole. To learn how you can create your unique experience in the Makers Trail 19th hole, visit srpga.com.